Hi, I'm Vivi the Volcano. I live in the jungle, and something bubbly is happening inside me. That's magma! It's hot, melted rock deep inside me.
Deep inside the Earth, it's really hot. So hot, it melts rock into magma.
As more magma builds up, pressure rises, and the volcano can't hold it in anymore. Don't worry, I'm not scary. I just let off steam when I'm full. That's called an eruption. Boom!
After volcanoes erupt, the lava cools and turns into land. Some of the biggest islands in the world were made this way.
Plants grow, animals come. It's how new life begins. Isn't it amazing what a volcano can do? From fire to flowers.
From eruptions to life.
It's how new life begins.
Thanks for learning with me. I'm Vivi the Volcano, and I can't wait to discover more with you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more.